This video is going to show you how to write notes. So the first thing we'll do for viola here is do our clef again. So make that thick line first, then that thin line, and then we'll do our backward C's. We're going to connect those two backward C's here in the middle, and then at either end we'll make a little circle, fill that in, thicken here, thicken here. If you need to pause the video to give yourself some more time to draw the clef, that's fine. Okay, next thing is our notes. So we're going to do the notes D, E, F sharp, G, and A. So what I like to do is, the first thing I like to do is draw those little ovals. So the ovals are either going to be in the space, so right between two lines, or they're going to be directly on the line. So you want to be careful to make it clear whether they're in the space or right on a line. Your D is going to be in a space, and it's important you make sure you're in the right space. So not this one, but this one here. It's in the space right above what I call the middle line of the staff. So 1, 2, 3 is the middle line. D is right in that space. I'll make a little circle. I'm going to go ahead and fill that oval in. And there's your D. Now the E is right on this line. So when I draw this oval, I'm going to try to center it right on the line. You can draw the outline if that helps, and then fill it in. And there's your E. So the next note is an F sharp. So when you see music written down, the sharp symbol is actually going to come before the note. So now if it helps you though, you give yourself a little space here because you need room to draw the sharp. So maybe out here you can draw that outline for your F, like that, right in this space. And you can fill that in. And just before it here, the sharp is going to be, this is the hashtag symbol, it's going to be two vertical lines you're going to do first, and those are going to start in the space above and go into the space below like this. So F is in the center, and they go to the space above to the space below. Now we're going to make sort of a crooked tic-tac-toe shape. So the two lines going across are going to be slightly diagonal, just like that and that. So there's your sharp symbol. And notice it comes before the note for F. Okay, so that one will take a little bit more time and a little more practice. G is going to be on this, directly on this top line of the staff. And again, you can draw your little outline to help you place it so the line's going right through the middle, and then fill it in. And then the A is going to be sitting right on top of that line in the space up here. Again, you can, if it helps, you can draw the outline here. See how the bottom of the oval is sitting right on top of this line, and you can fill that in. So these are your notes, D, E, F sharp, G, and A. The next thing you often see is what's called the stem of the note. This is the head, or the note head. The stem is the little line. Now, this is important, really you have to watch closely. The line for these notes is going to start on the left side of the oval, not the right, but the left, and it's going to go straight down about this far. And that's going to be true for all of these. So you're starting on the left side of each note and going down. Make sure it is on the left side. Let me give you the incorrect way to do this. If I had the A, if I put it down the right side, it looks like that. And that is not the way that you see music written. So just double check, make sure it's not that one, but like these, where it's on the left. Now the next thing you want to do, just for practice, is you can start a new line. And just to kind of get used to that, you can then take each note and write a few of them in a row. You could write 3 Ds. Again, if you want to do the outline first for those. Stem, stem, stem. And then you can do 3 E's, again trying to get centered on this line, like that. And then you can fill them in, just like that. And then you can do F sharps. So again, F sharp's going to be here. Give yourself some space so you can write your sharp symbol. That would be a really good one to practice. Those sharp symbols take a little bit of getting used to. The more you do these, the better you'll get at it. So go ahead and do the same for G and the same for A. You can write each one 3 times for practice.